The Lord's Supper is a very, very important practice of Christ. That's why we do it every week, in which you are making, again, it's a covenant renewal ceremony, where you're saying, Christ promises me the gospel through his body, through his blood. If I believe in Christ, I have his promises. But then we give ourselves up to Christ. It's the same thing, two-sided covenant. Christ promises something, and we are blessed. We respond in faith and obedience. That's what the Lord's Supper is too. Well, we cannot partake in the Lord's Supper if we have not been baptized. Why? Because you're not in the church, and the church does the Lord's Supper. The church doesn't belong to a family. So, by the way, Christian families can't take the Lord's Supper by themselves. They must take the Lord's Supper when the church is gathered all together. That's why we do the Lord's Supper on the Lord's Day, on Sunday. That's why we do it during the service. Why? Because that's when everybody's called together to do the Lord's Supper.